Here's a 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Decisiveness has led you to this Fusion Hybrid, steeped in the convenience you're accustomed to, the efficiency you want, and beaming with style you'll be proud to drive anywhere. It comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth streaming audio, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, Ford Pass Connect remote engine start smart device, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Road and Track reports it's not just a good teacher, but a learner too. The hybrid learning your daily drive via GPS and Navi and teaching itself to maximize the use of pure electric power for those set courses. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today